Welcome to Online Accounting 211. This is Cindy, your instructor, and in this video we are going to review certain sections of the syllabus. Please read the syllabus in its entirety and let me know if you have any questions. So this is an online course. Even though this is an online course, please note that there are 4 exam dates where the exams will be taken in person at Scottsdale Community College. However, if you cannot make the exams on these dates, you may arrange in advance to take the exams earlier at the testing center at Scottsdale Community College or at an approved alternate proctored testing site. The best way to get a hold of me is by either my email or you can message me through Canvas inbox. Here are the competencies, the things we'll be working on this semester. The textbook that we use in this course is Wiley Plus. You are going to access Wiley Plus through Canvas. Everything needs to go through Canvas. It's an online textbook, but there is an optional hard copy of the textbook for purchase at the bookstore. During the checkout process, when you are downloading the Wiley Plus on your Canvas, you will be asked to first accept the licensing agreement, and then you will be led through a series of prompts to buy a registration code. There is a separate video that discusses purchasing the online textbook and homework. However, please note that the promo code you will be using is SCC3. You are allowed late homework and late quizzes with a 10% penalty, but the late homework and quizzes may only be submitted up to the exam that covers that material. So after that exam has passed, you will no longer be able to submit homework or quizzes for those chapters. Now, if you miss one of the first 3 exams, you will complete an additional multiple choice comprehensive exam by the last day of the semester. Now, please note that this exam is in addition to the 2 exams that will be taken on July 18th. So this is the schedule that will be followed for the course. You'll note that most deadlines are going to be on Mondays at 11:59 p.m. So in addition to that, we have the exams listed. The exams typically are on Wednesday, except for the 3rd exam, which is on a Tuesday, July the 3rd. The campus is closed on Wednesday, July 4th. Please note once again that there are 2 exams on the last testing date on July 18th. The first exam covers chapters 15 through 18, and that's exam number 4. And then in addition to that, you will complete a cumulative exam. This section over here discusses all the points associated with the homework assignments, the quizzes, discussion, and the exams. Please note that the exams are worth approximately 70% of your grade. This section here discusses how the exams are proctored, and you are allowed to bring in 1 note card for each of the exams, and you will be dropping in between the hours of 3 and 8 p.m. to take the exams. However, you must complete the exams on those dates by 8 p.m. Please make sure and bring proper photo identification for the exams. Grades will be awarded according to this scale here. The Scottsdale Community College site has a learning center that is dedicated just to accounting and statistics students. This can be very helpful. It's free of charge. It's drop-in. To find the hours and more information, please go to this website here. So as far as response time, I will return your email within 1 to 2 business days, and after assignments have been submitted, you can expect those within 1 week of the assignment's due date. Please note that your Wiley Plus homework and quizzes will be automatically graded by the software. This is a 3 credit hour course. Now, due to the accelerated nature of this course normally is over the 16-week semester. This will be 10 weeks, so it's even a more accelerated nature. Please plan to spend at least 20 hours a week on this course, so about 10 hours on course content, learning it, and 10 hours on homework weekly. This section discusses withdrawals. Please note that any student that does not complete 2 or more modules on their due dates may be withdrawn. If you are having questions or difficulties with Canvas, please contact the Canvas self-help site, or you can call the SCC help desk. That information is contained here. Then you can read the remaining part of the syllabus on your own. So once again, welcome to Accounting 211 Online. My name's Cindy, and I look forward to working with you this semester.